Today, Anthony woke up and he was trying to make himself a cup of coffee because he has a lot to do. But the coffee machine wasn't working. I'm just kidding. He doesn't drink coffee, but I sure do. So what happened, Anthony?
It just doesn't start.
When we plug it in?
Yeah.
Nothing happens. You don't even get any lights or anything.
It usually lights up.
Alright, so what we're going to try to do is I'm going to unplug it, hold that button down, and we'll try to plug it in and see if it resets. Anything? Let's push, keep holding it. I'll turn the switch on in the back. Nothing?
Nothing.
Let's think of something else. Alright, so Anthony's going to take it apart and see if there's anything we can fix in it. It might leak out water because the water's in the tank. What do you got there? Phillips screws?
Yeah.
We unplug it real quick.
Oh, good. Sometimes doesn't. Do these two?
The one down there you missed.
Do these?
Just do the one on the bottom. You want to turn it on? You want to hold it?
I got it. Don't break the wire.
See if you pull it out. Is there clips in the front?
Yeah, there's clips.
There you go.
Don't break the wire.
Well, sometimes it's not worth fixing. But I can fix it.
Again. It's scrapping time.